Sir, today you have come here for attending Drink Festival. So what is your reaction about it?
My reaction is I'm very much obliged to be here. Uh, this Hings, what? Hingskang BC under Damchara. I never expected that I will be invited here uh, because I'm a legislator from very far. But thank you to the committee and here whoever had organized, all the organizers for inviting me here. It's a big achievement for me to be here as a guest. I'm very much thankful to them.
What is your message to the youth, especially here in this area? Drugs is more increasing, and many are like involved in drugs addiction, and some are getting like HIV/AIDS. What is your message for them? Please tell.
See, this is what I will tell to all the youths. As a young legislator, I will tell this that there is so many things to love. Drugs is not an option. You can love your culture, you can love your tradition, your people, your career, your education, but don't love drugs, don't do drugs, stay out of it.
Lastly, sir, few days ago, like Janajati Suraksha Mancha has, like they have taken a topic for showing the ST facilities those who are Christian. So this Drink Festival is celebrated not only for Hindus, but all our Triprasas are participating here. Many Christians are coming, many Hindus are coming. Besides that, other communities are also attending. What is your like reply to them? How they are reacting regarding this ST facilities removal?
My reply to them is I should not reply to them because I don't pay heed on them. See, they are just doing what they are said to do. They don't know what is the consequences of that. They don't know what inconvenience which indigenous people are facing in the state. See, division is very easy, but to come together, work together, it's very difficult. You see, we 19 tribes here, including sub-tribes, we live peacefully. We want to live peacefully. Spring is celebrated irrespective of any religion, any political parties. We carrying our legacy. We are carrying our legacy and will carry forward. What people are saying, division, politics for their personal benefit, we should not pay heed on them. They will disappear. They will fade away one day. We just should stay silent and we should go in our own way.
Okay, sir, and one more thing lastly. Christmas is already coming. Only few days left. What is your message to all the people of the state for Christmas?
Love your people. Love your enemy also. Be kind to everyone. Merry Christmas. And please keep your religion private. Your religion is a private practice. Not to show to the public that you are the biggest Christian or you are the biggest Hindu or Muslim. Your religion is your private matter, is your private practice. So make it private, keep it private.